Good morning students. Today we will discuss the topic autonomous and accommodating items in BOP, means balance of payment. Okay. As in earlier videos we talk about the meaning, then components of BOP, then the three type of accounts of BOP, then BOP equilibrium, disequilibrium means where equilibrium struck and what is the situation of disequilibrium, BOP surplus, BOP deficit. Okay. So now we will talk about the autonomous and accommodating items that are taken in transaction in BOP. So firstly we will know the meaning, that what is the meaning of autonomous and accommodating items. Okay. Autonomous items are those items which are undertaken in the transaction that for the consideration to earn profit. Okay. For making a profit, means these are causes of imbalance in the BOP. Okay. But accommodating items are those items which are free from making of profit. Okay. These are not taken for the making of profit. These are items, accommodating items, do not causes imbalance in the BOP, balance of payment. Imbalance means BOP surplus or BOP deficit. Okay. So we will discuss about the difference between autonomous and accommodating items. So firstly, what is autonomous? Autonomous items refers to such BOP, balance of payment transaction which are undertaken for consideration of profit. Means there is profit when these items are included in transaction. Okay. But accommodating items are those items refers to that which are free from consideration of profit. Means these are not included in the transaction for making of profit. Then autonomous items are the causes of BOP imbalance. Okay. Autonomous items are the causes of BOP imbalance and accommodating items are the mean to restore BOP balance. Okay. These are the causes, but these are mean to restore BOP imbalance. Restore BOP imbalance means if there is BOP deficit or there is BOP surplus, then it is taken in the consideration, okay, to correct the imbalance. Okay. Then are the causes, then may involve the movement of goods across the border. Means these may involve the movement of goods across the border. Movements of goods means we include those export and import of goods which can be seen while crossing the boundary of a country. It means we include visible goods. Okay. So these are included in autonomous item. Do not involve the movements of goods. It means that visible goods are not included. Okay. Export and import of goods and not included in this. Autonomous items are above the line item of balance of payment and accommodating items are below the line items of balance of payment. Okay. So mainly this is the difference between accommodating and autonomous item. Autonomous item refers to such BOP transactions which are undertaken for consideration of profit. Means the main aim of taking these items in transaction is to making of profit. Okay. If these items are included in the transaction, it means there is profit. But these are free from consideration of profit. Then second are the causes of BOP imbalance. These are the causes of BOP imbalance. But this is not the causes. These items are meant to restore. Restore means that if there is BOP deficit. What is BOP deficit? Means our outflow of foreign reserve is more. Okay. And what is BOP surplus? BOP surplus means inflow of foreign reserve is more. not equal to 0, because if capital account plus current account is equal to 0, it means there is BOP equilibrium. Okay. Then may involve the movement of goods across the border. It means the export and import of goods are included in this. But in accommodating items, movements of goods is not included. It means export and import of goods, export and import of capital goods and consumer goods are not included in this. Okay. Then autonomous items are called above the line item in BOP and accommodating items are called below the line item in BOP. Okay. So this is the mainly difference between autonomous and accommodating items. Okay. This is autonomous item and these are accommodating items. Okay. That what type of items are included in BOP, balance of payment, and for what purpose these items are included. Okay. Now we will talk about the balance of trade and balance of payment. The difference between balance of trade and balance of payment. So what is balance of payment? As we already discussed, what is BOP? Balance, as our chapter name is also balance of payment. So what is balance of payment? Balance of payment means it is a monetary transaction of a country with the rest of the world. Okay. BOP is a statement in which it means balance of payment. Balance of payment. So balance of payment is a statement, or we can say it is a statement of monetary transaction in which goods, export and import of goods and services means visible goods, invisible goods, transfer payments, all these are included, okay, of a country with the rest of the world. Okay. So it is a monetary transaction of a country with the rest of the world of a year. Okay. Then balance of trade. BOT, balance of trade. So what is the main difference between balance of trade and balance of payment? As balance of payment means we study that it is a monetary transaction of a country with the rest of the world, and balance of trade means it is the export and import of goods. Okay. So how we will calculate balance of payment? We normally study exports of goods, material goods mainly, okay, minus imports of goods, okay. So this is our balance of trade, okay, export of goods minus import of goods. If there is surplus balance of trade means our exports are greater than import, and deficit means our exports are less than import. Okay, exports are less than imports. Then we have deficit balance of trade, and balance of payment equilibrium means our current account plus capital account is equal to 0. Then balance of payment is in equilibrium situation. Okay, but if capital account plus current account is not equal to 0, and we can say there is movement of our officially reserve, foreign reserve means there is increase in our foreign reserve. So there is positive means increase, so it is surplus BOP. Okay, and if current account plus capital account is not equal to 0 and there is decrease here, increase in about the difference between autonomous accommodating item and the difference between balance of payment and balance of trade. So balance of trade is the normally difference between exports of goods minus imports of goods, and if there is more export than import, then we have surplus BOT. Balance of trade, and exports are less than import, then we have deficit balance of trade. Okay. Balance of payment means transaction of a country with the rest of the world. In this way mainly include current account, capital account and officially reserve account. So current account plus capital account is equal to 0. It means we have equilibrium balance of payment. Okay. But current account plus capital account is not equal to 0 and there is movement in the officially reserve account. It means there is increase in the, if there is positive side, means increase in foreign currency, foreign reserve to the RBI, then we have surplus BOP, balance of payment, and if there is decrease in foreign reserve, then we have deficit balance of payment. Okay. So students, watch the video and also read from your book. If you have any doubt, any query, you are free to ask